Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Educational Journey, and in this video for the MEXT scholarship in Japan we will discuss the required documents or what documents are required to submit an application for the MEXT, which is a Japan government scholarship program for masters and PhD. This time why we are focusing on university track applications, because the university track applications open in October to January or February. There are different dates for each university, so you can apply for the university track applications in these months, and in spring, like after March, you can apply for the embassy recommendation or embassy track applications. So let's see what are the documents that are required to submit the application. uh, Remember, these are for masters and doctoral programs, because under the university track you can only apply for masters or PhD. There is no option for the undergraduate. If you are looking for scholarships in undergraduate programs, then you should apply in April for the embassy track application for MEXT scholarship. Application documents. First of all, the information or most important thing here is please confirm that conditions for each item. The format can be downloaded from the website. What are the conditions that you will, when we will discuss the each university application or the portals or the required documents for each university, then I will give you the details about the conditions or if there is any extra document required. These are the general documents that are required for each university. All right, so always follow the instruction given for each university. Number one, you have to submit academic transcripts, and these are result cards, mark sheets. In Pakistan sometimes we call it DMC, detailed mark sheets. So transcript is an international term used for your result card, where your subject marks for against each subject you have studied is written, or CGPA is written. So marks, CGPA grades that are equally good. If you have any system in your country, you can submit your application. There is no boundary if you have CGPA system or mark system or grading system. So graduation or expected graduation certificate, it means the degree or expected graduation certificate or provisional certificate that you will be graduating on this date. If you do not have already this degree, then you can submit the provisional certificate in place of this graduation or degree, right? Or you can get a certificate from the dean or head of your department for the expected graduation dates or month. Photocopy of your passport. This is most important because every time you will submit an application for international scholarships, you need a passport, and you should have at least your passport to prove your citizenship as well. The next thing and the most important thing here is motivation to apply and research proposal. This is a kind of combined document where they will give you a format. It is a two-page format. So you need to write a motivation letter within that should be very short, and then the research proposal. So within 2 pages, half page for motivation and then 1.5 page for your research proposal. So if you haven't done any research, then how you can write a research proposal? That you should actually Google or read about it, how you can build a research paper or how you can write a good research proposal. Then you can write this, because you need introduction and the methodologies and the expected results or this kind of stuffs for the research proposal. So for this, at least you need 1 month to prepare a good research proposal. Once you prepare it, then proofread it and make corrections, edit it, and maybe you can do this 2 to 3 times, and then your research proposal will be considered as a good research proposal. That should be without any grammatical mistake and without any general mistakes in this. It is in a given word format. There is a given word format on each university website. When I will discuss each university details, then I will give you the links for that particular university, and mostly this format is similar for all universities, right? So you can make a one research proposal and then you can submit to the university. Two recommendation letters. There are two required recommendation letters from your professors or dean or HOD. So the one should be from your supervisor in final year project for undergraduate or master's thesis, and the next or the second one can be any professor, or it is better if your head of department or dean can write a recommendation letter for you to particularly explaining the MEXT scholarship and recommending it for the MEXT scholarship. So there is a given format that also I will share the link and you can download it, and then this is a different than the Korean recommendation letter style. So he will write within that Word file and then he will stamp and sign and other stuff. Documents to prove English proficiency. So you need to prove your English proficiency, that you are good enough to study in English and you can conduct research, because masters and PhD mean you will do research there, so that is in English. So you need to prove your English proficiency. What documents you can provide for English proficiency, I will give you the details. It is not mandatory to always give the IELTS or something, but you need to submit a specific kind of document if you do not have IELTS or other scholarship, other certificate for English proficiency. I will give you the details in the separate video. So this is the end of in this class or this video. Please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and family members. Thank you so much.